morning. Myself Desai Kolomi. I know you all know me that I am your science teacher. I hope you are fine at home and spending time with your family. But student, you have to give some time to your study also. I hope you all are clear about our previous chapter, that is preservation of food. So now let's start our next chapter, chapter number 3, that is uses of plant.
Okay students, so let's start the chapter. Students, you know that trees are our best friends. They help us in many ways. Students, in summer, we take rest under the shade of a tree. For example, the mango tree and the banyan tree. They are so big and have such wide spreading branches that human beings and animals can rest under them. Students, trees and forests are the lungs of the earth. जैसे हमें breathing में lungs help करते हैं, वैसे ही trees and forests are the lungs of the earth. They purify the air by taking in carbon dioxide and give out the oxygen we breathe. Forests help attract clouds to increasing rainfall. Deforestation or cutting down of tree leads to less rainfall. Different parts of a plant are useful to us in different ways. We get cereals, food items, medicines, paper, rubber, and gum from trees. So now let's discuss some of these points. First point is food. We get food, grains and cereals. They are very cheap food materials. Food are the main source of bodybuilding. That is proteins, which we get from vegetables. Sprouted dals, pulses and beans are very nutrients. Some vegetables such as carrot and cucumber are eaten raw. Delicious fruits such as mango or pineapple are also comes from plants. Now second point is oil. We get edible oil from seeds and fruits of some plants. Example, sunflower, groundnut, coconut and mustard oil is used for cooking. Some oils are used for making soaps. Now third point is fodder. Plants also provide food for animals. Cattle and sheep farm alfalfa grass is grown to feed the animals. Now our fourth point is medicine. Students, do you know? Many plants have medical value. Let's see some of them. First is the leaves of a tulsi plant are good for cough and cold. Dry neem leaves are placed among woolen clothes to keep away mud. Turmeric means हल्दी is used as an antiseptic. जब आप गिर जाते हो, आपको चोट लगती है, तो आपकी मम्मी क्या करती है? पहले जल्दी जल्दी किचन से हल्दी ले आती है, फिर वहाँ जहाँ आपको चोट लगती है, जहाँ आपको ब्लीडिंग होता है, वहाँ मम्मी लगा देती है. इससे क्या होता है? जो आपका खून निकलता है वो स्टॉप हो जाता है. सो टर्मरिक इज वेरी यूजफुल. फोर्थ पॉइंट इज ginger juice is good for the throat and for digestion. Sandalwood oil is good for our skin. Garlic helps in digestion. जब हमें पेट में गड़बड़ होती है, हम कुछ खा लेते हैं उटपटांग सा, तो हमारा डाइजेशन सिस्टम बिगड़ जाता है. तो ये गार्लिक खाने से वो सब ओके हो जाता है डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. Fifth point is fibers. Jute, hemp and sisal plant provide rough fiber that is used for making ropes and bags. Core from the coconut shell is used for making doormats, carpets and other items. Now sixth point is wood and timber. Different trees provide different kind of wood. First is hardwood. Rosewood and ebony is used for making expensive furniture and decorative articles. Second is saltwood is used for railway sleepers. Next is decorative articles are made from sandalwood, walnut and rosewood. Next is willow wood is used to make cricket bats. This wood is hard but flexible. Then next is softwood is used for making paper. 7th point is other products. Plants and trees also give us gum and rubber. We get spices from some plants. Spices are used to flavor food and drinks. Example, cloves and cinnamon. Juices of some flowers are used to make perfumes. Example, rose and jasmine. Now bagasse. Do you know what is the meaning of bagasse? Bagasse means the leftover stem after sugarcane is crushed and the juices taken out is called bagasse. It is used to make cardboard and paper.
Recall some of the points to be remembered. Plants are very useful to us. They give us many things: food, wood, medicines, oil, spices, fibers and perfumes. Plants make the environment pure and help in reducing pollution. Activity and quiz. Now here matching. Now spices. What are spices? Yes, it is clove and cinnamon. Right. Now perfumes. From which flower we can make perfumes? Yes, from jasmine and rose flower. Very good. Now fibers. Fibers. From which plant we get fibers? Yes, from jute plant. From jute plant we get fibers. Now cereals. From which plant we get cereal? Yes, from wheat plant. Wheat plant is a cereal. Now let's solve the riddles. I am a stem. I give you sweet juice. Which plant gives us a sweet juice? Can you remember? Already I taught you in the chapter. It's here S-U-G-A-R-C-A-N-E. Sugarcane. All of you like the juice of sugarcane, no? So it is very sweet juice. Now next is I add flavor to food and drinks. किसमें फ्लेवर मम्मी क्या डालती है तो खाने में फ्लेवर आ जाता है? Yes, you are right. It's spices. S-P-I-C-E-S. Spices. Now third is I am hard outside and soft inside. I give you oil. Which fruit is this or which vegetable is this? Which is very hard from outside and inner portion is soft and give oil also? You remember which food is this? Yes, it is coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. What is it? They are fruit, stem, leaf, root or seed. Now first one is banana. What is banana? Is it a fruit, stem or leaf? Yes, it is a fruit. Now next is carrot. What is carrot? Yes, carrot is a root. Now next is wheat. What is wheat? Is it a stem? Is it a stem? No. No, it is a seed. Now next is apple. Do you know? We have to eat apple daily. An apple a day keep doctor away. So what is an apple? Apple is a fruit. Very good. Apple is a fruit. Now next is sugarcane. All of you like the juice of sugarcane now? Yes. So sugarcane is a stem. It is a stem. Now next one is tea. What is tea? Tea, where it's come? Teas come from leaf. So tea has a leaf. Now banana, fruit. Carrot, root. Wheat, seed. Apple, fruit. Sugarcane, stem. And tea, leaf.
Student, I think now you are clear about this chapter. Student, at last, I think after seeing and watching this video, you all are understand that trees are very important for us. So, we should not cut tree and grow more tree. Thank you and have a nice day.